தெற்கு ரயில்வே கட்டுப்பாட்டில் உள்ள அனைத்து ரயில் தடங்களிலும் இன்டர்லாக்கிங் என்று ஆர்.என். சிங் கூறியிருக்கிறார். ஆய்வு செய்த பிறகு தெற்கு ரயில்வே பொது மேலாளர் புதிய தலைமுறைக்கு உறுதிபட கூறியிருக்கிறார். அவர் பேசியவற்றை தற்பொழுது பார்க்கலாம்.
தெற்கு ரயில்வேயினுடைய பொது மேலாளர் ஆர்.என். சிங் அவர்கள் நம்மோடு இணைந்திருக்கிறார். அவரோடு பேசலாம். சார், வாட் இஸ் த பிஹைண்ட் த ரீசன் ஆஃப் திஸ் ஆக்சிடென்ட், சார்?
It's negligence on the part of gatekeeper, basically. So, which has led to this.
Why you are accusing the Kadalur administration, district administration, because of your? So, because of you have to release some press release and also tell.
No, we have not accused anybody.
1 year before, you have to plan.
It's a matter of fact that we want to make underpass here, but somehow district has their own reservations. So we'll again discuss. Our people will discuss with them, pursue with them to get the clearance from. We need to take clearance from district for converting any level crossing into underpass. So it's a process which has to be, which is mandatory. So we are in process of seeking the approval. So we'll again discuss. If they have any reservation of issues, we'll address them. So it will be better if we make underpass here, because I think here water logging issue is not there, no? Synedian.
There is no interlocking in this gate, sir, particularly. So what is the action to prevent?
So we have about a lot of such level crossing gates which are being interlocked progressively based on the level of traffic. So very high traffic level which we consider where the traffic vehicle unit by which we measure the busyness and traffic on the level crossing. So wherever it is more than 20,000, so they are already in the process of interlocking, and most of them will finish by March 26. And this particular level crossing has a traffic vehicle unit of about 10,000. So although standard criteria is 20,000, so this doesn't qualify, but still now we have decided once we complete all the busy level crossing 20,000 and above TVU, and after that wherever it is not possible to provide underpass, all others balance will also be interlocked in next 2 years.
How many level crossing in Southern Railway region? So what is the precaution to take the level crossing incidents?
See, wherever level crossings are interlocked, then whenever gate is open, the signal will be red, so train will not cross it. And when the level crossing is closed, then only signal will come. So the interlock crossings are very safe. But there are large number of level crossing. Every kilometer we have a level crossing, thousands and thousands. So still we have lot of level crossings which are manned but non-interlocked. 100% are manned. There is no unmanned level crossing now. So to enhance the safety, manning has been done, but interlocking, it's a complicated process, because both sides you have to provide the signal, lot of cabling is involved, and then its connectivity with the station is involved. So it takes time, and plus we have decided to first interlock the busy ones which are more risky. So they will be.
பள்ளி வேன் மீது ரயில் மோதிய விபத்து தொடர்பாக ஆய்வு செய்த பிறகு தெற்கு ரயில்வே பொது மேலாளர் புதிய தலைமுறைக்கு பிரத்யேக பேட்டி அளித்திருக்கிறார். அனைத்து வழித்தடங்களிலும் இன்டர்லாக்கிங் வசதி செய்யப்படும் என்று அவர் உறுதியளித்திருக்கிறார்.